Hey y'all, today we're going to be making some pineapple strawberry banana smoothie. You will need a few ingredients: pineapple, banana, strawberry, ginger, and some lemon juice, and honey is optional. So there I'm showing you how I prepare my ginger to make that ginger that's going to be the base of it, because I like the flavor that it gives to my juice. And I'm just making small portions here. So if you want to make a bigger portion, you just double up on your ingredients. And once I'm done with cutting up my ginger, I'm just adding some water, and then I'm going to puree or blend, and then I'm going to strain to just get the ginger juice itself to use in making my juice. If you like what you see here, be sure to subscribe, turn on that notification so you do not miss anything, and leave a comment in the comment section to let us know how the recipes are turning out for you, because we truly appreciate you for watching. And welcome back to my viewers that are consistently watching our videos. We truly appreciate you as well, so keep it coming. So there you see I'm adding about 2 tablespoons of my ginger puree that I have just made and strained. And then I used about a half of a small banana and 2 strawberries. And then I used about a quarter of a pineapple just to give it a more pineapple flavor, because that is our main ingredient here. And so once I'm done with that, then I put a little bit of honey on top, and that's optional because you know the pineapple is sweet. All the ingredients, as a matter of fact, is sweet here, the fruits. And then I added a little tubs of lime juice, and then we blend, and you see how it's pink and looking luscious and delicious. And once I've gotten that well blended for about 3 to 5 minutes, here is our finished product. You can add some ice, or you can add ice before you blend, and this is the finished product here. I link the other one in the description below. We thank you so much for watching, and enjoy our juices. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.